Procrastination is the worst enemy of students. It creates significant study stress before examinations, which causes anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem in students. Also, procrastination affects work-life balance and relationships in adults. As per the American Psychological Association, procrastination can lead to obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, attention deficit/hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, and several other mental conditions. So, it is clear that procrastination is a harmful habit. But, is its opposite, procrastination or alacrity, healthy? Procrastination makes people complete their tasks as quickly as possible. Procrastinators become anxious and take excess mental pressure to get things done swiftly. While procrastinators unnecessarily delay a task, procrastinators are typically obsessed with finishing their jobs. So, what makes people concerned about completing their tasks fast? Anxiety is a primary reason behind procrastination. In this fast-changing world, some people think that if they delay, they might miss the chance. Also, some people expect that finishing their tasks earlier than a deadline will create a good impression of them. When people are motivated by such emotions, they tend to keep their to-do list empty. And when excess tasks come, they become intensely anxious due to their obsessive motivations. But working at an excessive speed often leads to silly mistakes. Hence, the job remains unfinished, and the person needs to invest double the time to finish the task properly. So, it is essential to maintain a healthy balance of work and its respective assigned time. Proactiveness is a good habit. But anxiety or obsession isn't at all healthy for work-life balance, and it never yields perfection. Hence, neither procrastination nor procrastination is good. Instead, develop emotional resilience and understanding to avoid both these habits. We hope you liked today's video. Subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant updates.